Hey, Sarah, long time no see. How have you been?
Hey, John. I know, it's been ages. I've been good, just busy with work. How about you?
Same here. Work has been keeping me busy, but I finally got some time off.
That's great. So, any plans for your time off?
Yeah, I'm thinking of going on a short trip. Maybe the mountains or the beach. What about you?
That sounds amazing. I choose the beach, it's so relaxing. I haven't been anywhere in months.
You should take a break too. Maybe we can plan a trip together.
That would be fun. Let's look at some places and decide.
Sounds like a plan. Let's grab a coffee and talk about it.
Perfect. Let's go.
Hey, Jasmine, it's been so long. How have you been?
Hey, John. I know, right? I've been good, just super busy with work. What about you?
Same here. Work has been crazy, but I finally got some time off, so I thought I'd catch up with you.
That's great. We definitely needed this catch-up session. So tell me, what's new with you?
Well, not much, honestly, just working a lot. But I've been thinking about taking a short vacation.
That sounds like a great idea. Any place in mind?
I'm thinking of going to the mountains. Maybe a peaceful cabin stay. I need a break from all the city noise.
That sounds amazing. Fresh air, no traffic, just nature. I love to do that too.
You should come with me. It would be fun. We can go hiking, relax, and just disconnect for a while.
That's tempting. Let me check my schedule. I really need a break too.
Yeah, man, we all do. By the way, how's work treating you?
Work is okay, but it's getting a little monotonous. I feel like I need to switch things up.
I get that. Are you thinking about changing jobs?
Maybe. I want to do something more creative. Sitting in front of a computer all day is getting boring.
I totally understand. You've always been a creative guy. What would you want to do instead?
I've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel. Maybe about travel and photography.
That's awesome. You've always been great at photography. You should go for it.
Thanks. I just don't know where to start. It feels a bit overwhelming.
Just start small, post a few videos, get a feel for it. You don't have to be perfect in the beginning.
Yeah, that makes sense. Maybe I'll start with short travel vlogs.
Oh, of course, that was one of the best trips ever. The bonfire, the late night talks, the terrible tent we tried to set up.
Haha. Yeah, that tent was a disaster. We should do another trip like that soon.
Absolutely. Maybe this time we'll actually set up the tent properly.
Haha, let's hope. Anyway, let's order another coffee and start planning our next adventure.
Sounds like a plan. Let's do it.